Nat's a cat has a snack. Jarrett Lerner. This is Nat. Nat is a cat. Nat's a cat is having a snack. No, Nat's a cat is making a snack. Toast. Land. Now Nat's a cat will have a snack. Did someone say snack? This is Pat. Pat is a rat. I came as fast as I should. Does Pat the rat like snack? Pat the rat loves snack. Perfect. Nat the cat has a snack. Pat the rat does not have a snack. Oh no, Pat the rat is sad. So sad. Wait, Nat the cat can share his snack. Nat the cat cannot share his snack. Make your own snacks, Pat the rat. Waddle. Oh no, teeter, yikes, tip. Watch out, Nat. Tobble. Thanks a lot. Now Nat's a cat has a mess. Pat the rat can help with that. The end.